you guys, it's my kid. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my henna recipe and what it looks like on my hair. If you guys want to see how I make my henna recipe, you guys should continue to watch. Okay, you guys, starting off, this is what my hair is looking like post me doing my hair. My hair has been in these braids for about 2 weeks, but I had got these braids in on dirty hair. So you guys, this is my henna gloss recipe. I go to this recipe every time that I want to do a henna gloss treatment on my hair. I have tweaked this over time of me using henna on my hair. So this is the perfect recipe that I have thus far. You guys can tweak this recipe for your hair length and for your hair type. But yeah, this is just the basis of what I have. And you can switch out any powders for any other powders that you want. Okay, so let's jump right into making it. So I like to make my recipe in a ceramic bowl because henna does stain and I don't want to stain none of my good bowls, and this is a good bowl. So yeah, I'm going to take my ½ a cup of henna powder and I'll make sure I get all that powder out of there, and then I go in with my aloe vera powder. This is a 1/4 cup of that. Then I go in with the 1/4 cup of alma powder. Then I go in with my 1/4 cup of brami. And at this point, you can add the fenugreek powder, but I forgot to add that at this step. And so you want to take about ½ a cup of your brewed tea. And the 3 teas that I use green tea, chamomile tea, and black tea. And I just gradually add this in. You want to make sure your tea is hot, not too hot. I will say you want it warm, but you don't want it too cold either. So you kind of want it to have the right temperature on it. So I just slowly add it in and make sure I work this in slowly, and then after that I go in with some rice water, and I need about a 1/4 of a cup of that. And you guys, I will say, working with this, you do want to wear gloves, again, because henna does stain and you don't want this all over your hands. But I totally forgot to even put on some gloves, so that's why I'm telling you guys to put on some gloves when you are making this henna gloss. And I'm slowly just adding my liquids because I want to have like a brownie like consistency to the mix. I don't want it too loose and you don't want it too thick. And so when I get that fully incorporated, I do want to add a saran wrap on the top, or some plastic wrap per se on the top, to let it set. And you want to let it sit for about 4 hours to 24 hours to let the dye release. And then after 24 hours, because I let mine sit for 24 hours, this is what it is looking like. And I wanted mine again to be like a brownie consistency. Now I want to go in with the oils that I'm using. I'm using a tablespoon of olive oil, and you also can add additional oils too. That's what I'm going to be adding. And then I just take a little bit of argan oil, and then I take a little bit of sweet almond oil. And at this stage, I added my fenugreek powder. I forgot. And then I just start mixing that in. And you want to make sure you have this fully incorporated. And now I'm going to go in with my conditioner. This is about a 1/4 cup of conditioner. and I just add a little bit at a time. And of course, you guys, like I said, this recipe is for my particular length of my hair, and you guys can tweak it for your own hair length. And then so I just add the rest of the conditioner, and I'm just going to mix that in. And when I have that fully incorporated, I want to let that set just a little bit for about 30 minutes to about an hour. And I'm going to add this to my hair, and make sure you wear gloves. And I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looks like with the henna on my hair. And when I have that fully incorporated, I want to let that set just a little bit for about 30 minutes to about an hour. So I put this on my hair. I was planning on letting it sit on my hair for about 4 hours, but then I decided to let it sit overnight. And I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like with the henna on my hair. I am going to be showing you guys how to apply it in another video. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. And this is what my hair is looking like with my hair, with it rinsed out and conditioned. Y'all, my hair felt amazing, 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 amazing after using this treatment. I am going to go back to using this more. So if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more recipes from me, make sure you let me know down below. And you guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.